Alright guys, how's everyone doing? We're going to do a quick gear demo here for Rigs of Death Metal. First one ever. This is the Firepower from Gremlin Machine Shop. I'm going to do a little bit of playing here. Then we're going to kind of talk about it and review it here at the very end. Real quick, the signal chain is going to be my clips with EMG pickups going into really just the Firepower, and then this Michael Klein Audio ball gag, noise gate, and then the Void by Lone Wolf Audio. That's just going to be for the leads here in a little bit. All right, let's check it out. Oh yeah, running into a Mohs valve power amp. So just a completely clean, dry signal here for us. All right, this is the preamp. This is with the boost. Alright, and here's going to be for leads. Alright, so we'll talk about this real fast. The Firepower kind of stemmed from a conversation that me and Paul had a while back after we did our live stream. The idea is to kind of have like an all-in-one pedal for the gigging musician. Half of it is a preamp of a JCM 800. The other half is his take on a tube screamer type circuit. Yes, lots of people have a tube screamer variation, but we went over the specs with it. I put a lot of thought into the circuit itself. So the black knobs are the EQ and gain for the preamp. The green knobs are for the overdrive. There's a toggle switch right above the green knob, says Rage. That is for a tighter or kind of a more loose sort of overdrive. And then the two gold knobs there. One is just your master volume. The other one is just an extra kind of a line boost, I guess, just to kind of help raise the decibel levels a little bit. Pretty modest. Use it pretty modestly. And running it like this, actually the delay, normally I only like running delays into an effects loop of an amp. I just don't like the way they sound when you run any kind of distortion into a delay. But this one actually behaves pretty well. It doesn't mess with the repeats too bad. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. As you can hear, once you just the preamp just by itself, great sounding. Sounds like a Marshall. Maybe a little bit more rock territory, played a little Hendrix for you there. But once you kick on that overdrive, it definitely tightens up the low end, definitely gives it more gain, more punch, and just, chugs like hell. So yeah, this thing's sick. If you guys have any comments, go ahead and leave them down below. If you are interested in this, I don't know exactly what Paul is wanting to sell these for, but it's pretty reasonably priced. So go check them out, and go check out the other pedals from these other manufacturers. We got Michael Klein Audio and Lone Wolf Audio. All these guys make killer stuff, and you know how we love to support small businesses. But cool, thanks for checking out, guys. Peace.